Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to create chart, especially line chart in Excel. We will use name column and sale column to depict our data in line chart. So first of all, select the data and select the remaining data with control button and then go in insert tab and here you can see line chart. Click on this. Here are different options available from which you can select anyone. Suppose I am selecting this first one and now drag it to the side. So you can see the chart is added. Now by going in design you can use different design to depict this data. And viewers, if you want to show also the values of sales which is showing here on this line chart, then click on this line and right click and here you can see add data labels. Click on this and you can see the values are added here. So this is how you can create line chart in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.